I'd like to look a little closer at how we would fix the problem with the fit of the door on the 365. So here you can see this is way too far out, and that's got to be corrected. This has to be tight against this. Now when we look at it from this perspective, you can see that my left finger is farther out than my right finger. So the whole window frame has to move inward, but it doesn't have to move in as far as this. This piece can move in separately. Now when we look at this, you can see, let's get the camera to focus. This piece is rippled, where in the restoration process, this hasn't been shaped straight. So this can be straightened so that it doesn't curve out where my finger is, so that it's in a little farther. That will improve the fit, and then the window frame itself can be moved inward. And the bottom of the door down here, this will also have to be moved inward. But that brings us to a new problem, and that is that we've got to move this rubber weather strip inward by between 1/4 and 1/2 of an inch to get the fit we need. And if you look at the thickness of this, when I compress the rubber, that's not 1/4 of an inch thick of metal and rubber. So we can't move it in unless we actually cut this and move this inner panel inward, which is probably what has to happen for a proper repair. We probably have to move the inner edge of the vertical member in here so that we have enough clearance to properly close the door. And that makes me think this is probably some old accident repair that wasn't done right, but it could have been this way, I guess, forever. It's hard for me to believe, though, that people would have driven this car back in the day and found this door fit acceptable. Now, we can cut this weather strip thinner, but even if we thin it, that's not going to get us what we need on this car. On the blue 330, that's exactly what we did. On the blue 330, we cut the metal slightly and we cut the weather strip. We made the package enough thinner to get the door to close and meet, but we unfortunately don't have the room to do that on this car. I wish that, yeah, you can start to see there's like hammer marks. See them on the edge of this thing? So I think part of the repair of this is going to be to make a new edge strip and shape it properly so that when we close the door, the strip is folded over the rear and hides the screws and such, which are, kind of unsightly and very different from the other side of the car.